Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle, the second Four Stars Sudoku in this evening. In the additional of Tuesday, March the 7th, 2023. Three puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic. Oh, apologies. And you're not interested in that, but you are interested in the Four Stars Sudoku, yeah. There are a lot of viewers interested in Sudokus, not for the binaries, not for the tectonics, but I recommend those puzzles because the binaries and the tectonics, you need to think logical. Yeah, logical. Can you think logical? Just like Dr. Spock. In Star Trek, you need to think logical. Alright, Four Stars Sudoku number 6077. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has one less than the previous Sudoku, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Here we have a hidden number there. Then you need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 4 twos. Alright. We have here actually five twos. 1 3, 3 fours, 3 fives, no sixes, 3 sevens, 2 eights, and 3 nines. So the twos are in majority. Can I start with 2? Yes. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Right. Well, we have a pair. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. You see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Same for the 4. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this second column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only place left for 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this second row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box or these 3 boxes. So the 5 in the second row could be here, here, or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the middle column, so no 5. There's the only place left for the 5 should be there. Yeah. Alright. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 middle columns, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Here we have also a 2, yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 5 missing numbers in the second column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in this big square, so no 7 and 5 in these 3 boxes. 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. In the second column, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So what are these the 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. Well, need to wait. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. Right. 1, 1, 1, 1. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, you see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Excuse me. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between, middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this box can be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. All right. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And, well, this box can be a 1, because we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Here also a 1, okay. 1, 3, 6. 3, 6, okay. Need to remember that. Alright. 9, 9. 1, 6, 8, 8. Wow. 8, 8. 5, 5. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. Okay. 1, 9, 9. Okay, 9, 9. No 9 here, 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 here in the middle column. So this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. You see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the second row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Yeah. Alright. Then 3, 1, and a 6. Need a 6 here. Do we have all the 9s? Let me check. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2, number 9. We have a pair here, 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 5, goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now in the third column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Okay. Well. 3, 6, 8. Still not. 5, 5. 5. 5. Oh, we need a 5 there. 5. Alright. 4. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. Same for the 5, yeah. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Well, not true. 5. It could be also. Oh no! Well. And we have a 4 and a 5 in this column, so no 4 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 and a 5 in this row, so no 4 and a 5 in that box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So these 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. Well. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. You have 3 in this row, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And the 6 could be everywhere. Well, Well. Not solution. 3, 6. I need a 3, 6 here. 1, 3, 6. The key is the 1, 3, 6. About the 4 here. Yeah, I need a 4 there. 4. Yeah. Well, we have a 5 here. 7, 8. Come on. 8. 1. 6. No. 3, 6, and the 8. Need an 8 here. Yeah, we need an 8. 4. Need a 4 there. 4, 3, 6, and 1. Need a 1 here. Yeah. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this third column. So no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 and a 4 in this row. So no 1 and a 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 and a 4 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So these 3 missing numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing. Well, we have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. So 3 could be here. Could be there. So we have a 3. So we need a... yeah, here should be the 3. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be here. These two should be reserved for the 4 to 5. So I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 8. Yeah, I need an 8 here. Need an 8 in this row. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. 3 and 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and the 4 are missing in this row. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 and the 8 are missing. We have 8 in this middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next down need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes with the 1. Now we have 1 here in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6, let me mark those. Here also 3 and a 6. Here also 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Wait, 3, 3. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Wait. These 3 missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. Yeah, 1, 4, 6. No, need to wait. 1, 4, 6. Need to wait. 1 box left in this column. 1, 1 for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. To miss 1 box left in this row for number, I believe the 3. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be here. I've marked these 3 boxes with the 1 and 4 and the 6. So this box should be the 6, the other 2 should be 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the last 2 numbers, the 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow! Faster than the previous Sudoku, although it has 1 less digit. So you cannot tell if the difficulty level is higher than the previous Sudoku. It depends. Well, I've enjoyed this puzzle. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.